fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Back here again on another video, J Squad. I know I have came on here and did a lot of things, and as me being a basketball player, I have to come and bring y'all the news. Kobe Bryant died. He died in a car crash. I mean, not a car crash, an airplane crash, as he is famously known as flying in them. But let's both watch the video together.
Is Kobe Bryant, the Lakers superstar, one of 5 people that was on board a helicopter that went down in Calabasas earlier this morning, and we are hearing reports that there were no survivors. Kobe Bryant, 41 years old, was in a helicopter that went down in Calabasas off Las Virgenes Road. Now, we don't know the circumstances of that helicopter coming down, but we do have video that shows the crash scene. What we are seeing, this is Kobe Bryant video. He was 41 years old, a Lakers superstar. Just yesterday, he was passed on the all-time scoring list by LeBron James. Jim Hill, our sports director, is on the phone. Jim, what are you hearing about this crash?
Well, we're hearing that, we all know that Kobe loved flying on helicopters. The cause of the crash has not been confirmed, but there's some speculation that weather had something to do with it. Once again, we want to make sure that we're very careful about the details that we give out. But the weather may have had something to do with it. There's reports that there are other people on board.
As you can see, Kobe Bryant died. I want to say R.I.P. man. I love you, man. Peace.